Hi you guys, my name is Ava. Welcome back to my channel, or to my channel if you're new. I'm a Dallas Cowboys cheerleader and also working on developing and growing my own business. But today we are prepping and packing for a brand trip to Miami. Hey guys, I just got home. I will give you a little update on what I've been doing today. I've been in Illinois for the last couple of weeks. I flew here today and landed and got back to my apartment around 2:30 p.m. I immediately went down to the package room and I had like 40 packages. I don't think I've ever had that many in my life. So I filmed a massive haul to post on TikTok. If TikTok starts working again, like I don't want to waste videos on like literally 5 people are seeing them. So follow my Instagram. Follow my Instagram if you have not already, because I'm posting all my videos on my reels. I try to post everything on YouTube Shorts too, but YouTube is very strict on copyright. So if there's any music in them, they won't post. So that's why not every video is uploaded to my Shorts, but follow me on Instagram. So I unboxed all of those. Actually, the stuff is still laying everywhere right now. And then I did some computer work, some stuff that was due today, like getting back to brands, answering emails and stuff like that, and cleaned up my apartment, unpacked from being home for so long because I'm repacking to go to Miami and I'm leaving tomorrow morning. I haven't packed anything yet. I have a lot to prepare and I want to film absolutely everything, so that's just going to also take forever tonight because of course I have to film for you guys. But I got my nails done as well. Boom, just like a little neutrally milky pink. Same exact thing on my toes. Yeah, so we're prepping. We are prepping for Miami. The prep has started. We're continuing to prep. So I wanted to explain a little bit. So me, Marissa, Kennedy, Maddie K, Allison, and Klein, we are going on a trip to Miami. It's an influencer trip. It's like a brand trip. This is not one brand taking us. It's called The Arch Social. It's a marketing company, and they are hosting us and taking us to Miami. So that's what's happening. I'm so excited. We're supposed to get there. We have a bunch of activities. It's kind of all a secret. A bunch of activities, a bunch of different brands sponsoring this trip for us. So we're told to bring one empty large suitcase to fit everything that we're gonna be gifted. Obviously, like that's a way for like brands to get us to promote them, is by sponsoring this trip for us. And I'm so excited. Tomorrow we're flying in JSX. I've never heard of that. I looked into it and I think it's kind of like a drive-up flight. We just literally have to show up like 20 minutes early, and I think it's only us on the plane, which I know sounds crazy saying that, but you guys are coming along for absolutely everything. So I will say there was a meeting while I was in Illinois with the Arch Social. So we got a gift for them already, and I just picked it up from Marissa's house because she picked it up for me. Boot Barn. You guys, they asked us for a list of like our favorite brands and dream brands. And I put Boot Barn. So I have a feeling this was because of me. And this was literally going to be my next purchase. Is red boots. Oh. They smell amazing. You guys. I will say, they're size 9 though. So they're a little big. But it's okay. They're beautiful. They gave us an outfit to wear on the plane tomorrow, and then they were like, pair it with whatever shoes you want. I'm like, you don't want me to wear my red cowboy boots? Because I think that would look so good with it. So they gave us red cowboy boots. These are from Peepers. Ooh, I don't have any like this, so that's really exciting. Shop Form. I've heard of them, but I've never had anything from them. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Look at this. So they made these for us, a layered tank, and it has my name and a star, and then leggings, and there's no front seam. Amazing. It is pretty late. It's 9:55 p.m. Like I said, I flew in from Illinois. I'm already unpacking and repacking to go to Miami. I have to deal with all of this stuff, but I'm hungry again, and I have a long night ahead of me of packing, self-tanning, filming, showering, all the things. I already had supper, so I'm just gonna have a David protein bar. I kind of want something sweet, but this has 0 grams of sugar in it, so it's like a sweet treat, but go for you. So this is the fudge brownie flavor. This is so good. And I love the little salt on it. I'm actually probably gonna pack some of these with me tomorrow too for the flight. These are actually my favorite protein bars, and I'm pretty sure the best bars on the market because they literally have 28 grams of protein and only 150 calories, 0 grams of sugar. That protein to calorie ratio is really good. These are perfect to take like on the go. I pack them for practice, traveling, late night sweet treats that are healthy for you. It's literally the highest protein to calorie ratio on the market. I personally feel like they taste really good and don't have that, I guess, proteiny taste, which that honestly doesn't bother me, but I know it bothers a lot of people. So if you don't like that protein taste, these are actually really good. I know David protein bars are really pride themselves on evidence-based and science-based nutrition. Oh, and I know some of you watching are probably gluten-free and blood sugar friendly, and these are it. If you want to try them, David Protein is offering my viewers a special deal. If you order 4, you get a free carton by scanning the QR code on the screen or using my link down below. I'll leave the QR code up here on the screen for a little bit if you want to check them out. We have a long night ahead of us. Or you can also find them at Kroger, Target, Publix, Walmart. Supporting my muscles, but also keeping that Miami ready body. Okay, now I'm going to get in the shower and self-tan everything. Okay, I have my 2 favorite flavors ready to pack in my plain bag, my travel bag. I'm gonna do the fudge brownie flavor and then the chocolate chip keto flavor. Oh my gosh, by the way, I'm in my new apartment. I will give you guys a tour another time because we have a lot of things to do, but I love it so much. Just got out of the shower. We're gonna self-tan. I hope this makes me feel better. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling really insecure going into this Miami trip with how broken out my skin is. I don't know if it's just because I was just on my cycle, but my face is really broke out. Even like my shoulders, chest, and back, which never really happens, so I don't really know why. Every time I go home, my face breaks out on my forehead. Anytime nowadays, I just have hormonal acne from like here to here, but it's so weird the entire time I was home and I still have it. I'm not getting up close. It's all down my nose and all across my forehead like I was in high school again. I don't really know what at home is doing that. Maybe my dog. But, so we're gonna hope that Loving Tan saves the day. We're gonna use the Loving Tan Maximum for my body. This can kind of exploded. And then the Loving Tan Deluxe Face Dark. Okay, self-tanned. Face, whole body. Now we're gonna pack. It's 11:22. I want to be done by 12 a.m. I am not pulling an all-nighter. I am not taking 500 hours to pack like I always do. I think this should be simple. Let's do it. This is where I get conflicted though. I wanted to film this on TikTok, like for TikTok. I guess I can do both at the same time. Okay, I just filmed so much for Reels and TikTok. And it was out of focus the whole time. Yay! Off to a great start. Packing is taking longer than I wanted to, but I think we're gonna bang it out. I filmed, so why don't I just take this and start filling it up. So, let me put some slippers on. You don't need to look at my toes. A lot of my stuff is from Pepper Mayo, Princess Polly, Amazon, and this brand called, talk about it, this is the brand. Oh, now it's focusing so perfect. Coaster Culture, so excited. Addicted, yeah. So, how should I do this though? I wish I could organize it by outfits. Okay, I'm just gonna do like tops in one bag. Look at this beaded top from Pepper Mayo. That is so sick. And my camera's about to die. We'll do like tops in one packing cube. This is hard. Okay, I'm starting to pack my makeup in the cutest ever makeup bags. And I need 2 makeup bags. I only ever pack 1, but we get 2 free check bags, so might as well do 2. I'm going to show you what I'm packing in them. So we're going to do makeup brushes, of course. I use BK Beauty. Do you guys want a better angle of this? Hold on. Okay, in this biggest side pocket over here, I'm going to do makeup brushes. I don't need exactly all of them, but how about we just bring bronzer brush, of course, blush, concealer, cream blush, all my eyeshadows, powder. This is to blend cream bronzer. I don't need a foundation brush. Actually, no, I don't. I have a little powder puff in here and 2 clips. My camera died, so here we are. And then in this next pocket, we're gonna do some lip products. So a Charlotte Tilbury, a Laka. I just did a brand deal with them and I'm obsessed with these. This new Charlotte Tilbury product I'm trying out, love it. Another product. How many lips can we have? Okay. Lipstick. Lip mask. Okay, over here we're gonna do Huda Beauty concealer, Charlotte concealer, eyebrow, blush, bronzer stick. This one we've got eyeliners, lip pencils, more eyebrows, setting spray, foundation, and mascara. I'm gonna add my Tarte mascara too, and another eyeliner. And this one we'll do Beauty Blender, pencil sharpener, Hoola bronzer, Charlotte powder, Tarte eyeshadow palette, Morphe blush, and eyebrow pencil, or no, lash curler. Okay, makeup is packed and ready to go. We will be packing my prized possessions, all of my rings, of course. My engagement ring from Tiger. This is a promise ring he got me when we were like juniors in high school. It's adorable. I think it's from JCPenney. DCC pinky ring from Diamonds Direct. And these 2 rings, and I'm pretty sure they are real itty bitty diamonds by Made by Mary.